It's 2:15 in the morning right now. If there was ever a time that we were actually gonna piss off the neighbors, it's probably now. So I'm running on about 36 hours straight. He's trying to make his Hummer shoot f***ing flame.
So what do we do with? Oh, that's hot. Yeah, fucking bitch, it shot me.
Well, boys, we are back on the road. I've been in Daytona for the last couple of days. Huge prayers to, you know, Christine and her family right now. Become part of my family, technically. Thank you guys so much for the love and the concern on Instagram, comments on YouTube, stuff like that. Me and the old boy Dobie, what up? What up, Dobie? I got Saint. What up, homie? What you doing back there? It's boys night. We're headed back. I gotta go to work tomorrow. She's gonna stay down here for a couple of days. But I wanna bring you guys along for the journey. It's gonna be about a 7-hour drive back. I'm literally leaving Daytona Beach right now. I just passed the speedway. And I guess, yeah, we got 7 hours to get home. So I'm gonna give you guys an update in about an hour. And we'll see how the night goes. Got a 5-hour energy in me already that you guys saw. And any of you guys know that when I get 5-hour energy in me, things get weird. I'm not exaggerating when I say that I've been on the road for the song. The song hasn't even finished, so I haven't been on the road for more than 3 minutes, because most songs are about 3.5 minutes, and I'm already bumper to bumper traffic. If that is any indication of how my night's gonna go, it's gonna be a long ass fucking night. I'm less than 3 minutes in, and I'm already bumper to bumper of a 7-hour trip. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. All right, so we made it home. It's 2:15 in the morning right now, and I'm always talking about pissing off my neighbors, like all the time. And one thing we have to do at 2:15 in the morning, and there's no, you know, there's no fake, no nothing. This is, you know, obviously you guys just saw the time. We got to crank this up. Cold start, hadn't been started in 2 days. We got to crank this up, and we got to crank that up, because that's got to go in the garage, and this has to go back right here. So if there was ever a time that we were actually going to piss off the neighbors, it's probably now. Set that up there. See what kind of a cold start we can get. not far enough back, damn it. It's as good as it's gonna be. I want to let y'all know, all nighter was a bad idea. It was a bad idea. Today is not gonna be fun. So I drove back from Daytona last night at like 7 or 8 o'clock. I didn't get home till about 3 or 4, and at that point I'm just like, screw it, I gotta be up at 6. So I'm running on about 36 hours straight.
Holy shit.
Which isn't like crazy, but I mean, I'm pushing 48 hours. And once we film the podcast tonight, by the time we get done with the podcast, we're pushing 48 hours. That's 9 o'clock tomorrow morning will be 48 hours. That's 2 full days. So the vibes and the energy have to be huge today. And I pull up on this guy over here at KSU, and what the hell is he doing? He's trying to make his Hummer shoot fucking flames. So he's down here, he's run a power wire from your battery.
Oh shit.
You better watch yourself. He's run a power wire from his battery. Does it go straight to the spark plug?
Yeah.
So the power
I have it run to a switch. So it'll be plug, wire, through the fuse to the battery to a switch.
What the fuck? So we're shooting flames today.
I hope so.
So this man is drilling a hole in his muffler so the spark plug will fit. You want to try it out of 1 first? See if it'll work?
Yeah, we can. I'm waiting on Nick because he has all the wiring connectors and shit.
Okay, okay. So I guess the goal today is to shoot fucking flames out of the back of Thomas's Hummer.
Oh, have you looked at the grill yet?
No, I haven't.
It's color match.
He did break his fucking grill the other day. I forgot about that. Yeah, and we do have a podcast we're filming tonight. If you guys haven't seen the first 2 episodes of the Lifted in the A podcast, make sure to hit the link in the description. Go check it out on Instagram and YouTube at Lifted in the A podcast. We're bringing the fucking energy today, man. I gotta keep the energy up. This looks amazing.
I need to clear coat it, but like for a backyard.
Oh, it's not clear coated?
A little bit. You're supposed to wait. You're supposed to do 1 coat, wait 48 hours. So after 40, and on Thursday, I'm gonna do a full clear coat so it'll look more like this.
That looks really good though.
And the paint, so of course this is a little bit different because this is 18-year-old paint, so it's faded, and this is a day old. So I mean,
that does look really. I like that.
I like it without the grill guard.
I'm kind of digging it, yeah. For now, yeah. I don't know. I kind of like the guard overall, but the color matched for sure was definitely the move.
And I have a new one of these coming.
Color match was definitely the move. But he's still got old girl squatted.
Yeah, I'm leaning a little bit.
Then we see
not like you.
My squat. I need to get rid of it. I'm already tired of it. it's been like 4 days and I'm already tired of it.
I think I'm gonna leave mine like this.
Really?
I'm gonna turn my front end down more.
Oh, so you can just a little.
So it'll ride a little bit better.
Okay.
A little bit flatter angles, but
I'm really excited to see if this shoots flames.
Bro, I hope so. I mean, all the videos I was watching, my boss is the one who gave me this idea. So shout out to
Oh wow, okay. Hell yeah. We just gotta wait for Nick to get here.
Yeah, I gotta drill these holes, get the plugs in, and then this is the biggest bit I have, so hopefully it's big enough. I ran home, my mom's like, what are you doing? I was like, oh, I'm gonna make my truck shoot flames. She's like, oh, okay.
My mom stopped watching my videos a long time ago.
I don't think my mom watches anything.
I think when I went through that river, she stopped watching, and that was like 2 years ago.
Oh shit.
All right now.
There we go. That should be the right. Yeah. That'll work good.
It'll be fine.
I just gotta figure out a way to get that nut in here. I gotta open and wrench that'll hopefully
Interesting.
Hopefully get it. Can I switch it?
I got it.
Hit the plug? Or
No,
switch?
you can leave it on. I'm not touching anything bad. Not yet.
All of a sudden it gets tased.
It don't hurt that bad. It's a little tangle. Nothing. Nothing. Nope. No.
I thought it was.
Nada.
So what do we do with the...
Oh,
yeah, it is!
There is power. Oh, nothing anymore. Maybe it did blow the fuse.
Alright, let's check the fuse.
I'm having truck problems with the car.
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
Yeah,
Fucking bitch, it shot me.
yeah, that's hot.
It's the damn horn, man. Fuck.
You want me to disconnect that positive terminal?
Yes, sir, I do.
Watch out.
Here.
Did you even get the wire that we needed on there?
It's off of there.
Oh.
We gotta rerun it to the straight to the battery, I guess. Hey, you want me to hit it?
Yeah, hit the switch. Is it on?
Yeah, now it is.
There we go.
There's a little bit of electricity. All right, turn that hoe off.
Hang on. It's not a hoe.
Yeah, it's a hoe. Because if I get tased, I'm gonna call it a hoe.
So we had to switch the wiring. Long story short, we're running power wire from the battery straight to the spark plug. Spark plug ignites the fumes. Fumes cause fire out of the exhaust. That's the goal. That's the goal tonight.
We'll jerry-rig this shit.
All right, guys. Moment of truth. We're getting impatient. We want to see some flames. So let's see some flames.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, we got the spark. Go for it! Yeah. Oh, it's not doing it.
It feels like there's a lot of water. That's water.
Damn.
Oh, fuck. Alright, let me hit it when you're doing that.
Alright, go for it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
I feel like there's not enough gas coming through.
Let me show my buddies a purple
Boy,
Tahoe.
what is you doing?
Sick of this damn clap.
He is just chilling. We about to throw down another
idea.
podcast episode for
That's your
y'all.
buddy's Tahoe.
Yeah,
Who?
he's in my
Have you seen that Tahoe?
truck club. Yeah, I showed him earlier.
Sponsored by All In Cars this week. Huge shout out to All In Cars. I'm ready.
I'm down. Let's do this.
He's back this week.
I'm back.
Shamar's back this week. We got a good vibe. It's a different vibe this week.
I'm back.
I've been up for like 2 days straight. It's gonna be a good one.
That's what I'm talking about.